Society is calling for a sustainable, efficient and circular construction process compliant with the latest legislation and regulations. This will require more digitisation in the construction and technology sector and relevant standards. An example would be ETIM, used to record a product's technical characteristics. What can you do with it? On the manufacturer's side, product details are classified in line with ETIM, enabling a wholesaler to import these automatically into his own systems. This speeds up the whole process. Comprehensive, error-free information will also be available in many languages, thanks to ETIM. An installation or construction firm will be able to search by the same characteristics and synonyms anywhere, and source a product from the various wholesalers and manufacturers with equal ease. Moreover, ETIM updates product information for the entire chain, meaning that product details in a BIM model, for instance, will still be accurate in the implementation phase, thus preventing errors and delays. And if something needs to be replaced, ETIM provides immediate insight into the characteristics that the replacement product will need to have. This ensures that all parties working with ETIM will have full, up-to-date, accurate product details at all times, which benefits everyone. Keen to know more? See katenstandard.nl.